Hello, I'm Mitch Prensky, and today we're making salsa verde. Salsa verde means green sauce, and the green sauce is made with a variety of herbs, some other flavor components. It's almost like a pesto. And I'm just gonna start here with some blanched herbs, put them right into our blender. You can get anything green, parsley, dill, basil. Here I have a little bit of chopped jalapeno. If you're not as into eating spicy foods, you can omit this step, but I just put a little bit of jalapeno in. Just a couple of little pieces there. Here I have some chopped shallot. You can use red onion if you don't have the shallot. That's really nice. Just goes right in there like so. Gives it a little bit of a bite. Here's capers, and gives kind of like a salty, briny sort of flavor to it. Just put a little bit of those in there. Our next ingredient is chopped anchovies. The great thing to do with the anchovies is to rinse them off first when you take them out of the container, and then give them a little bit of a chop. Again, if it's something that you can't eat for some reason or you don't like, you can omit the anchovies. I also like to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of crushed red pepper flake, and just a little bit of black pepper here. Now this is a pretty simple process. We're just have everything here in the blender. I have some really good extra virgin olive oil here, and the olive oil is great because it's gonna help all the flavors kind of meld together. I'm just gonna start our blender, and I'm slowly gonna drizzle the olive oil in. And once you have the sauce pureed, just pour it into a bowl here. And you can just see it's just really nice and green. It looks just beautiful and fresh. And it's a great sauce. It goes with a variety of items. What I have here is a little bit of almost like a smoked salmon that's roasted and smoked. We have a little bit of asparagus. And I'm just gonna take our salsa verde here. I'm just gonna put it on the plate just around there, make it look nice and pretty. And the salsa verde is a really versatile sauce. It's something you can make ahead and have in the refrigerator for the week. You can use it on a variety of items. You can have it for shrimp, chicken, eggs, really anything where you want a little bit of a nice fresh kick. Enjoy.